Hello everyone and welcome to yet another series update of our construction. Today we're here at ZURI residence, which is located along Mtelo Road. My name is Sylvia Mongeli, the interior designer. I will be taking you through what we've been able to achieve for the past 1 month. Let's start with skimming works. In the previous month, we had done up to the 8th floor. We have done 6 more floors and currently it's ongoing on the 14th floor. Secondly, floor screeding. In the previous month, we had done up until the 7th floor. We have added 7 more floors and currently floor screeding works is ongoing on the 14th floor. In matters finishes, we began the gypsum works earlier in the month and we are currently on the 7th floor. Here at the rooftop, we managed to install this water tank, which will be used to supply water to various units. In the coming month, we intend to be at 100% completion for floor screeding, skimming works, and gypsum works. And finally, we intend to finish the water tank connection for various units. Thank you for staying tuned. We'll keep you posted for the next updates.